Good day. My name is Ivan James Mendoza, and today I will be discussing market segmentation. This concept is very important in business and marketing because it helps companies to understand their customers better and serve them more effectively. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad market into smaller groups of consumers who have similar needs, characteristics, or behaviors. By doing this, businesses can design products, services, and marketing strategies that match each group's preferences. There are four main types of market segmentation. There are demographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, and behavioral segmentation. In demographic segmentation, it is based on gender, income, education, or occupation. For instance, a company may design products differently for teenagers compared to working adults. Next is geographic segmentation. It is based on location such as country, region, or climate. For instance, clothing brand may sell jackets in cold regions and summer wear in tropical areas. Next is psychographic segmentation. It is based on lifestyle, personality, and values. For example, eco-friendly products target value of those people who need sustainability. And lastly, behavioral segmentation. It is based on customer behaviors like buying habits, brand loyalty, or product usage. For instance, frequent travelers may be offered reward programs by airlines. Market segmentation is important because it allows businesses to use their resources more efficiently, build stronger customer relationships, and gain competitive advantage. Instead of trying to please everyone, they focus on the right group of people with the right product at the right time. In conclusion, a, a market segmentation helps companies to understand and serve their customers better through the demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral approaches. It is a key strategy in creating value both for businesses and for consumers. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something valuable. Thank you.